G'day folks, Tom from Bikebiz Motorcycles here, and today is a very special day because we have the brand new 2021 BMW M1000 R machine at our warehouse and in our hot little hands. Now we are going to do what we usually do, which is take the box off this crate, unbox it and jump into some of the specifications and features that this brand new model has to offer. Standing in front of one of these machines, I truly am lost for words. Now, the words that I can bring myself to explain this motorcycle is that they are just a magnificent piece of art that truly just takes you back. Now, this machine is the kind of motorcycle that you catch yourself dazing off and admiring every little piece of ingenuity, design, and craftsmanship that this machine has to offer. Now, you get lost in the M carbon parts scattered across this machine and mixing in with the full titanium exhaust system, M winglets, and that beautifully placed high windscreen. Now, the M1000RR's water-cooled 4-cylinder engine has been given a boost in horsepower. This machine registers 212 horsepower at 14,500 RPM. Now, BMW raises the rev limit on the inline 4 while retaining the output of 83 foot-pounds of torque at 11,000 RPM. Now, the top speed of this machine is a whopping 305 kilometers. It also comes with 5 riding modes: Rain, Road, Dynamic, Race, and Race Pro. Now, this machine has substantial technical optimizations, and like the S1000RR, it also features BMW's shift cam technology. The dynamic traction control and wheelie control are managed by a 6-axis inertial platform. Now, this machine has a 6-speed gearbox which is equipped with Shift Assistant Pro for clutchless gear shifting up and down, and if you are heading to the racetrack, the shifting pattern can be easily inverted from standard to GP shift. One of the coolest features in my opinion are the M winglets. These of course are made of carbon and generate a downforce of 16.3 kilograms. BMW state that in combination with the high windscreen, you can convert more power into pure propulsion. And of course, quick shifting, cruise control, heated hand grips, and hill start control functions are standard. And when you hit the track, the launch control and pit speed limiter are track focus features to make you understand that you are on a race machine. There you have it folks, the 2021 BMW M1000RR machine. It's finally here. It's just a piece of art. I could have this in my lounge room just to look at, but it comes with all of those specifications and racing features. It is absolutely fantastic. This is definitely at the top of my list for one of the most magnificent motorcycles that I've seen this year. If you would like to own one of these, make sure you give one of our sales representatives a call at our Granville location. I'll leave the number in the comment section below. I'm Tom from Bikebiz Motorcycles. I hope you enjoyed this review and I will see you on the next one.